Hi guys, this is Jace. I have Asus RT-AC68U router that served me well for the past 3 years, and I got its replacement, the RT-86U, another latest router from Asus, which is the better one. So this is the result between the two of the router, the versus between 68U and RT-86U. So as you can see, I have two router benchmarking right now. So this is 0.50, 0.212, that one is for RT-86U, and the 1.1001 is the 68U, the previous one. So here's the maximum transfer rate that I have based on my OnePlus 5T through 5 gig. Alright, let's check about the wireless range first. My routers are located on first floor in the middle of double story semi-D, and the test will run at living room on the ground floor, and another one is on the farthest part of my house from the router, the kitchen. Both of the routers are using the latest firmware. Based on my previous written review, the 68U performance on the range is better than the RT-86U. However, on the latest one, it is contracted right now. The RT-86U is much better, as you can see from the result. On 2.4 gigs or even 5 gig on different channel, RT-86U win all the way. And one thing that I noticed that 68U is better on 5 gig on the 100XX channel, whereas the RT-86U is better on 4X channel below, the lower part of channel of 5 gig. So here's the result that I have. The transfer rate result are based on RT-86U on the lower part on the 5 gig. So, and whereas the 68U is on the upper part 100 something channel. So I'll give you both of the best result over here. At living room, 68U is performing at around 200 megabits. So as you can see, whereas the RT-86U is getting around 260, 70 average like that. So it's much better result compared to 68U. At the kitchen, 68U is performing around 15 megabits right here. As you can see, RT-86U is much better. You're getting 20 something over here. Yep. Both of the range and transfer rate are better on RT-86U. As for file reading and writing on the USB 3 hard disk, 68U is only getting 20 something megabyte per second, whereas the RT-86U is getting 110 for reading, maximum speed for the LAN speed. And for the writing, 68U is also getting around 20 something meg for the writing. But for the RT-86U, as you can see, is getting around 70 megabyte per second right now. However, based on my previous older version, it's getting 100 megabyte per second. Not sure why the latest one is reduced to 70 right here. So performance wise is much better on RT-86U, and it included some extra features like this one, WTF fast for the gaming. So you're basically using another server routing network that speed out the game. So do check out on the supported game, and it have included 4x4 antenna for the 5 gig channel, whereas the 68U only got 3x3. So do take note on that one. And the last one, this is the most significant changes of all. The CPU is using the latest and much more powerful CPU. As you can see, you're getting the highest USB transfer rate, and even the restart reboot speed is cutting out from around 3 minutes for the 68U to around 40 something seconds on the RT-86U. So the performance is much better on the RT-86U on this one, on the CPU. So basically, in short, 68U versus RT-86U, the knockout by RT-86U, in short. So if you want to buy a new wireless router, go ahead, take Asus RT-AC86U as your router right now, because that is my daily router right now. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'm Jace, and I will see you again. Peace out.